Hey guys, today I'm at my new house and I'm going to be making a video about slimes. So I have all of these slimes and I'm going to review them. So first of all, I have one bad slime and 4 good slimes. Altogether I have five slimes. Good. Bad. Okay, so we'll start with the bad one. So this is the bad one, guys. The beads don't even stay in it. If I did try to mix them in, they wouldn't even go in. Like, look, I would just open it up and they just like pop right out. Like, and then it just leaves an indent where they were. Sorry about that, guys. It's an indent and it's kind of gross. Ugh. Look, guys. If I even try to stretch it, it's like super bad, guys. Sorry, you can't see my face. I'm gonna go like this now. So yeah, now you can see me and my slime. Okay. As you can see, it's very hard for me to stretch it. If I do want to stretch it, I'm gonna have to work very hard. So see, even if let's see how far I can get it to stretch. Oh God. Slowly but steady. Slow and steady wins the race. Okay. Oh. It's broken. Okay, well, I think you guys have seen enough. Ooh. So guys, I have decided to grab 2 more slimes. There's 2. You guys do not need to see that one again. So we're gonna do this one next, one of my new ones. Oh, by the way, I named this one Blue Jewel, because you can see the jewels in there. It's blue. But this one I call it Queen Bee. I don't know why. And if you guys hear a crying baby in the background, that is just my baby sister. She's 4 months old, but I'm not going to tell you her name or anything. So yeah. And this one's actually like really nice. It's kind of a butter slime. Oh, sorry you guys, you can't even see the slime. Okay. I'm just going to put my This one's kind of a butter slime. Kind of. So, yeah. You don't gotta see my eyes. Those are my eyes. You don't need to see any more, do you? Sorry. I get weird in some of my videos. Don't blame me! Who am I kidding? I am weird on all of my videos. Okay, but I'm gonna show you how like buttery it is. I'm gonna see if I can like spread it in my hands. I doubt it, but let's see. Look, it's like that. And it's not even sticky. Like, barely. It only left that much. I'm trying to get the glitter off. I'm just warning you guys, this stuff leaves glitter on your hands, and yes, these are homemade. I'm just kidding. I got them in a slime kit, and I added the stuff. I added the jewels to Blue Jewel, and I added the pom-poms to Queen Bee, aka the one I'm playing with. All the ones you see, I added all the stuff into it, except the glitter. I didn't make the slime at all. It was like, it came like this, and it's like really good. Listen to the Pocolos. Guys, I'm going to tell you something really cringy that I absolutely hate. I hate when people poke slime with 5 fingers. Like, they go like that. Ugh. I hate when people poke with fingers less than 2, but more than 2, which means I only like, it's like, if I see people poking like this with a big slime, it's like really cringy. But if they have like a slime like this, I kind of see why they would poke it with 1 finger, because look, the finger would be touching the ground. But this is not a pet peeve video, I'm just letting you know. It's only good for 1 finger. Or 0, no matter. 0 fingers for that tiny of a slime, Okay, I think I've had enough playing with this one. It's just like one of my favorites. Oh, I forgot to show you how it stretches. Next one. I named this one after a Fortnite dance. I named it Orange Justice for some reason. I don't know. I don't know why I named it Orange Justice, but I did. So, yeah. It's weird. Look. So weird. This one's really, I don't really like the feeling of this one. It's super sticky. Very weird feeling, but it has a nice poke. Ooh. It's super stretchy. Actually, I kind of do like this one. After you play with it a bit, it gets less stretchy, less sticky. Sorry guys, I just woke up because there's like a couch downstairs and I was sleeping on it yesterday. As you can see, the light is shining in my room right now. I have my door closed because there's a lot of commotion going on downstairs. Because we have our couch here, so I slept on it, but my parents have a bed in their room. Get it off my fingers, but look at it. Look at it, y'all. Super stretchy and nice. I'm going to show you the pokes. Oops. Don't you just love jelly cube or pom-pom slime? Because with the pom-poms or jelly cubes, they're just like all covered in slime, and they've soaked up the slime so much that, look how it's a circle. They've soaked up the slime so much that this happens. It's like all thin and then it puffs back up.